At Royal Dutch Gazelle, we produce more than 300,000 bikes a year. And for that, we need twice as many wheels. That's more than 600,000. We put these wheels together ourselves in our factory. First, we guide the spokes into the right place in the wheel. Next, we apply great pressure to the wheel so the spokes can position themselves properly. And for a very smooth ride, we true the wheel and keep truing it until the wheel is perfectly round. The last step, of course, is the tyre. Pump up the inner tube, fit the tyre, and you're ready to roll.